Hidden deep within the Atlantic Ocean, there is a terrifying, forbidden island where no humans are allowed to step foot. And every single square meter is ruled by the world's most venomous golden vipers. Welcome back to World Blueprint. Today, we are sailing 30 miles off the coast of Brazil to explore Ilha da Queimada Grande. Better known as Snake Island, a deadly paradise completely shut off from civilization by the military. This deadly island is home to over 4,000 Golden Lancehead Vipers, a species found nowhere else on Earth. Experts estimate that you are never more than 3 feet away from a strike, with up to 5 snakes crowding every single square meter of the forest floor. Their venom is uniquely terrifying. It evolved to be 5 times stronger than regular snakes, capable of literally melting human flesh and causing instant internal bleeding upon contact. To protect human lives, the Brazilian government strictly banned all public access to the island in the 1920s. The only exception is the Brazilian Navy, which makes a dangerous annual trip to maintain the island's automated lighthouse. Local legend says that the last lightkeeper and his entire family were tragically hunted down and killed by waves of vipers that crawled straight into their home through an open window. Snake Island remains a powerful reminder that nature still holds ultimate territory, where humans can never rule. Would you ever dare to stay on a boat just off the coast of this terrifying reptile kingdom? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to World Blueprint, and unlock the blueprints of the world with us. See you next time.